Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your English teacher Miss Nabila and today I am going to explain you unit number 8 cheesy choices. Open your books page number 40. First of all, I want to tell you the meanings of some difficult words. The first word is amazing. It means awesome, vary, change, crumbly, breakable, savory, a food that is salty or spicy and not sweet in taste. Reindeer, a type of deer with large horns. Cheesy choices. Cheese is amazing. It is a dairy food and can be made from the milk of cows, sheep, goats, buffaloes, and even reindeer and camels. Cheese is a dairy product derived from milk and produced in wide ranges of flavors, textures, and shapes. It comprises proteins and fats from milk, usually the milk of cows, buffaloes, goats, or sheep. Cheese comes in many shapes, textures, and flavors. The texture can vary from soft, almost buttery, to crumbly or very hard. There are different types of cheese. It can be soft, buttery, crumbly, or very hard. Crumbly cheese is moist but thick and hard. Buttery cheese is a semi soft cow's milk cheese. Hard cheese is also firm and often savory. It can be divided into two categories, hard and semi hard. Cheeses are often named after the places where they were first made. Cheddar is an English cheese. It is quite hard and is usually yellow or orange in color. Cheddar cheese is hard, yellow or orange in color, sometimes sharp tasting natural cheese. Camembert and Chevre are soft cheeses. Camembert is made from cow's milk and comes from in Camembert area in France. Chèvre is the French word for goat. They are soft cheeses. Camembert is made from cow's milk and Chèvre is made from goat's milk. Mozzarella is a soft Italian cheese used in salads and on pizzas. We can use mozzarella in salads and also use on pizzas. Buffalo mozzarella is very popular. Parmesan is also Italian. It is a very hard cheese. Parmesan is Italian cheese and it is very hard. It is usually grated and sprinkled on the top of food such as pasta. Emmental is the most popular Swiss cheese. It is easily recognized because it is full of air bubbles. Emmental cheese is yellow in color. It is a semi-hard cheese made from cow's milk. Gouda is a city in Holland famous for making a fairly hard creamy yellow cheese. Gouda is a mild flavor cow's milk cheese. It is one of the most popular cheeses in the world. Feta is the most popular Greek cheese. It is usually made with sheep's milk, but goat's milk can also be used. Feta is the popular cheese in Greek. It is usually made with sheep's milk. It is salty, crumbly cheese that is often used in salads. Thank you.